Welcome back again to my YouTube channel here on Paul Nkurikiyimana official. Nongeye kubaha ikaze mu isomo ry'uyu munsi. Sasa hari umunyeshuri watubajije ikibazo kigira kiti, umunyeshuri aratubajije iki kibazo, yaratubajije ati write a C+ program to illustrate the use of default parameterized and copy constructors. So now ahangaha mu Kinyarwanda cyangwa ati andika program iri kwerekana uburyo bakoresha default constructor. Iyi ni constructor itagira parameters, hanyuma parameterized constructor cyangwa se iyi ni constructor ariko noneho ifite arguments cyangwa parameters, and copy constructor. Iyi ngiyi ni constructor ikoresha the object which are copied from the other functions. So now ni ukuvuga ahangaha turaza kwifashisha urugero gusa wenda ku muntu utari kumva constructor icyo ari cyo. Constructor ubundi ni function iba called mu gihe as long as we create an object. When the object is created, the constructor, especially default constructor, is automatically created. So now let us use a C++ to explain this in effective way. So now constructor igira ubwoko butatu. Constructor igira three types of constructors cyangwa se member function which are automatically called when the object is created. So now we have default constructor, the constructor with no arguments, with no parameters. While parameterized the constructor, it is a constructor or it is a member function which has parameters. It can be one or many. While the copy constructor, it is a constructor which used the object from the other functions. So now let us use an example to show how this one can be used. Let me open my software here. As you see, okay, so then nkuko mubizi ira niyo twahita nka ariyo syntax. So now ahangaha reka wenda to defining a class. Iyo class reka tuyite wenda calculator, for example. Class, let us call it calculator. Okay, so then nkuko mubizi class igomba kuba defined. Ahangaha reka dukoreshe wenda comment. Let us use class definition. Here you see, okay. So now class definition igira members, tugira data members and the functions. So now data members ahangaha tezo twita access specifiers, twita protected, private and public. Ibyo ndumva wenda twazabifatira umwanya tukanabisobanura n'ukuntu zira specifiers zikoreshwa. Okay, so now reka to defining data as private here. Okay, ahangaha wenda niba twise calculator, reka to defining wenda suppose reka to defining variable of integer zingahe wenda ebyiri, int a, reka tuyite na b here. Okay, so now iyi calculator program yacu dushaka kuba tugiye gukora wenda reka tuvuge yuko tuzakalculating sum, wenda dukalculating naki wenda na difference, for example difference here. Okay, so now ahangaha tuzidefininze as private. Private iyo tuvuga private, protected and public. Private nuvango ni data members ziraba accessed only within that class, is the same as protected. Ariko iyo tuyidekaraye ari public bivuga ngo within a whole program that members can be used. So now ahangaha reka tudekarare public class igira functions ikagira na data members. So now data members zijya muri private ariko functions zijya muri public. Okay, so now ahangaha rero kudekarara constructor, to declare constructor ahangaha, especially default constructor ya constructor ibidafite arguments constructor here ahangaha. So now kimwe mu bintu ugomba kwibuka cyangwa se ugomba no kwitondera hano, as long as mu gihe uri kudefining constructor, nuko ugomba kwibuka ko izina rya class rigomba kuba risa nk'izina rya constructor. Ubwo hano class name yacu dufite ni iriya calculator. Okay, so now ahangaha turakoresha iriya calculator. Iyi ngiyi iba ari function iraba called when the object is created. Urabona mo hano hagati cyangwa se hano mwimbere muri parentheses there is no arguments. So now for example, let us do this. Akangaka tugiye gukora ubwo ni constructor definition. Ahangaha dukoreshe comment nyinshi kugira ngo wenda byumvikane. Constructor definition here ahangaha. Yes, constructor definition. Ahangaha dushobora guhita wenda twa outputting a value. For example, dushobora guhita twa outputting wenda nk'interuro to show how the constructor ahangaha. Okay, here is a mistake. See out here. Okay, then hello Paul, for example. Let us print out this statement. And now ahangaha turafunga, niturangiza tunafunge class nk'ibisanzwe muri syntax niko bigenda. Okay, hano class redefined. So now ahangaha muri main function niho program itangira kuba executed, hanyuma ni naho object ziba created. Object creation here bivuga ngo class ni combination, it is a combination of data members and functions. So functions are very public. So now that's a member, data members and member function, there's no problem. Hano muri object creation muri syntax tugira nuko dukoresha class name, ubwo ni calculator. Ahangaha class ishobora kugira object nyinshi zirenze umwe. Yes, then wenda reka tuvuge class, wenda reka tuyite iyi, this is object, iriya v niyo twise object, ishobora kuba iri muri class. Ahangaha dushobora kuraninga tukareba niba ibyo turi kuvuga bikunda. You see, meaning that ahangaha tugicreating ahangaha kuri iyi tugicreating iyi object, nuvuga ngo iyi statement yo muri default constructor irahita iba automatically created ako kanya, nta kindi kintu tugize. Reka turaninge turebe niba turi buze kubona ino statement ahangaha. Okay, here you see. So then I run, compiling bwa mbere. Ahangaha urabona ko harimo there is one mistake. Iyi mistake reka tuyishakishe. Let us find this mistake. So you see the mistake is around here. Muri programming ikintu cya mbere kigomba kugufasha cyane no guhita umenya aho ikosa ari. Urabona ko haranakoresheje kama kandi igomba kuba class is closed by semicolon, niho mistake ari yiri. Okay, let us run to see if it is still. Okay, you see this statement kuri screen yacu urabona irahita output kuri screen, kandi nago ntago twigeze twa outputting iriya statement nkuko uri kubibona, bivuga ngo iyi constructor cyangwa se default constructor was called automatically when we have created this object called v hano muri main function. Kangaka ndakeka kumvikana. Okay, so then ahangaha muri class let us see how can we, reka dukoreshe comment hano, twakoresha gute parameterized constructor, parameterized constructor here. So but before moving ahead, ubwo hano turamutse ducreatinze n'indi, wenda turamutse ducreatinze indi object ya kabiri tukayita calculator, for example v1, ahangaha tukaraninga, ubwo iyi statement hano cout hello pole yahita iba printed twice, inshuro ebyiri, kubera ko twa creatinze another object. Reka turebe. Ni ibintu byumvikana, urabona ko output yacu rete iza kabiri, bivuga ngo this hello pole ya mbere iri kuza kwera iriya kurera object ya v ya mbere twakoresheje, kuri object ya kabiri iri kuzana iyi statement ahangaha. Okay, so this is how we can easily use default constructor. Urabona ko hano there is no, muri default constructor hano there is no argument, it is a constructor cyangwa main function. Ahangaha you see hano aho twagombye kuba dufite list of arguments, we have nothing, nta kintu kirimo. So but it is automatically called when the object is created, kandi ubwo is object is calculator v and calculator v1. Kangaka ndakeka kumvikana. So now reka tudiringe ni parameterized constructor here. Okay, so now ahangaha nabwo turakoresha calculator, ariko ho turashiramo arguments, kubera ko if it is parameterized it will have formal arguments. Ibi muri function muri senior 4 ndumva bibamo formal arguments. Hano turadekara wenda tuvuge int, reka dukoreshe wenda f, hano dukoreshe wenda inyuguti ya l cyangwa se variable which will be used the formal arguments, which will receive parameters when we call function, which will receive value from actual parameters. Ibi ngibi muri senior 4 chapitre function ndumva ari ibintu byumvikana cyane. Okay, so now ahangaha icyo tujya gukora nuko tujya gufata ziriya private data members ab tukazinganisha n'iyi is twaze parameterized, kubera ko ni nazo zirakira values. Is f and r nizo value cyangwa se nizo variables which will receive nizo zizakira value from function call when we call function. So now here ahangaha reka tuvuge ko a equal f, turabisobanura ahangaha, hanyuma b twinganyishe wenda ko iri bungane na ki na l cyangwa se r. Ahangaha hano dushobora no guhita ducalculatinga ya sum yacu, tugita tuvuga yuko ingana na a plus b muri parameterized constructor. There's no problem. Aha dushobora guhita tu outputtinga iyi statement cyangwa se tugakoresha indi function yitwa display, but there's no singombwa cyane cout. Hano dushobora kwandika sum is, hano tugashiramo iki, hano twongeramo sum, for example like this one. Okay, so now ahangaha dushobora kuraninga tukareba niba ibi ngibi bikunda. Hano dukeneye gufunga iriya class kuko it is not closed here. So now kadusobanura aka kantu. So this is parameterized constructor. You see now we have two formal arguments cyangwa se dufite two variables. then now ahangaha dushobora kuzisiba, ntabwo zikiri ngombwa cyane. Ahangaha iyo muri function call dushobora guhita twasayininga zino values which we receive muri function call. Dushobora guhita tuya wenda 10, wenda hano tugashyiramo 10 na kangahe 15 here, then come like this. Okay, so now reka turaninge turebe. We can learn to see. You see now sum is printed. You see, so now you can ask me kubera iki, ushaka kumbaza kubera iki noneho iyi statement hano yo muri default constructor itabaye iyi default constructor itaba iyi hello Paul, kubera iki bitaje kuri output. Ni ukubera ko hano muri object twa creatings hano, let me show you this. Hano muri object twa creatings we were calling this function here. You see, turi kuvuga yuko iriya f ingana ni 10 cyangwa se iriya l kangana na 15. So now we are not calling this constructor which is default. That's why the sum is becoming 25 there. Niyo mpamvu iyi ngiyi ya mbere itari kuba called, we are calling the second one which is parameterized constructor. So now ahangaha dusigaje ya nyuma ariyo tugiye kwita default constructor. Here you see, not default, the copy constructor. Okay, copy constructor here. Iyi copy constructor ikoresha object ziturutse ku yindi constructor cyangwa se ziturutse ku yindi function yuko izo object. So now aha kuri copy constructor igira syntax iba ari class name, ubwo ni calculator. Hanyuma mwimbere turongera tukagira class name again, ubwo ni calculator. Ariko hano dukoresha the object which specify the address of which specify the size of other variable. Anga turakoresha ampersand, not size, address of object, kuko nizo turi bwifashishe. Vango niba wenda dushaka creating a difference, ariko iriya difference turayicalculatinga muri copy constructor, kandi data members ntazo twigeze tudefininga mwimbere. That's why we need to use this object, tugakoresha address operator cyangwa se ampersand like this. Ukunguko niko by defining a copy constructor. You see, not to defining, to declare copy constructor. Hanyuma icyo tugiye gukora, we use object keyword cyangwa singi twashize hano muri iyi twa specifying hano as an address. Nta kintu tugiye gukora, nuko tugiye gufata iriya a ariyo private tukayassigningaho the address which is called the object here, the object.a. Vangu a muri copy constructor we are taking the variable, so we are taking values from f to be copied here. Hanyuma hano kugira ngo tuyassigning as copy we use object.a, then b equal, then object.b like this. So now dushaka guhita ducalculating ya difference. Angaha the difference equal a negative b here like this. Dushobora no guhita twawutiputinga cout difference is, now hano twakoresheje iki, have used the difference, ariko ibingi biri kwangiriza memory, reka dukoreshe gutya. Hanyuma na hano let us do this one like this. No haraguru muri private members, reka changing iki ngiki kugira kitaza kuzanamo mistake like this. Okay, so now you see a calculator, then you'll be okay. So now this is how we, hano tutibagiye gufunga class gira mu kanya bitaza kuzamo ikosa. Here you see, so this is how we assign, how we define a copy constructor here. Ukunguku kwa assigning out the address of the object. Okay, then after can use this comment, copy constructor, constructor definitions here. Here you see. So now you can ask me, how can we call copy constructor? Call of copy constructor here. Call of copy constructor. Ahangaha nta kintu kidasanzwe, dukoresha calculator cyangwa se class, sorry here, class name, hanyuma ducreatinga object, wenda reka twite v1 here, hanyuma tugakoresha iriya object yabaye tugakoresha object yabaye created ya v, ubundi tukagira gute, tugafunga like this. So niko ducreate, niko dukoringa. This is how we call copy constructor. So now we can run to see whether this can run. Ubwo hano nibiramuka biraninze, biraraninga sum, binaraninga iki, biraraninga sum, binaraninga difference the same times. Okay, so let us see. You see the output like this, and this one. You see, this is how we can easily use that one. So angaha reka tuvuge yuko wenda izi variables twashizemo hano wenda ntazo twari dusanganywe, twinitializinze iriya variable. Wibuke yuko angaha the object creation, reka ducreating izindi variables ebyiri, int x, suppose ko izo variables ziraba ziturutse ku muyuza, int xy, turabwira umuyuza ngo nashyiremo iki, umuyuza nashyiremo int two values. Here you see int two values. So then we need to use a scene function, scene x, scene y. Here you see. So now instead of using this 10 and 15 mwimbere muri function, let us use x, then let us use here, let us use y like this. Okay, what does it mean here? Bivuga iki, is variable x and y izi ngizi nizo twita actual arguments cyangwa se variables cyangwa se arguments ziri bufate values during parameter passing, ziri bwohereze kuri iyi variable, kuri zira variable f na ki f na l. Kandi urabona ko muri parameterize constructor we have assigned the value of a as f, bivuga ngo a irahita ifata value ya ki ya f, then b ifate value ya l, ariko izo variable f l zitwa, they are called formal arguments. Mu gihe is x and y which will pass value through parameter passing techniques, it is called the actual arguments. X and y are actual arguments. Anga kugira ngo tubyumve neza, can use these comments. X and y are actual arguments. Here you see. So now let us learn to see mu gihe is f, these f and l are formal arguments which will receive values from x and y. So now let us learn to see if this one can run. Wonderful. You see enter two values. Let me suppose enter 56. Second number, let me enter 32. Then let us learn. You see it is clear. Urabona ko samu ni 88 ariko difference ikangahe ni 24. Guys, ni ukunguku bakoresha constructor, igira ubwoko butatu: copy constructor and parameterized constructor. Ikintu ugomba kwibuka nuko yaba constructor yaba destructor zose ziba declared muri public specifier. So guys, aka kantu niba kakunyuze gasharinge ku bandi bantu bawuzi biga computer science, tuzabashe gukomezanya muri make. So have a nice day my friends.